Hey everyone, Jake here for American Trucks, and in this video we're taking a look at the Raxiom Axial Series Halo headlights with LED bars, black housings, and clear lenses, fitting 2004 to 2008 F-150s. These are going to be a great choice for the 04 to 08 F-150 owner who's looking to update their truck and also make a big statement. Featuring unique LED accent lighting and projector main beams, these put out a lot more light and a lot more attitude for a really great price. Headlights don't have to be outrageously priced or styled to make them worth your while. These ones in particular do a lot to modernize your truck's front end, mostly by way of the LED bars and halo rings that run through them. Now these elements bring a unique look to the F-150's front end, lighting up that cool diffused white color and drawing your eye right to them. Now the halos and the bars here are going to function as your daytime running lights, the circular portion, the halo here framing the high beam with the curved line framing the main beam. Speaking of those two, the main and high beams here utilize standard halogen bulbs, and since those main beams are projectors, that means you're going to have a wider beam pattern and a sharper cutoff as compared to your standard stock reflector halogens. So you'll get more light thrown further down the road than you will with your originals, but you don't have to pay the price for LEDs. Down on the bottom edge though, we do find some LEDs, and these are going to function as your turn signals. Now, I actually didn't catch these at first because they're pretty well hidden when they're not in use. They almost look like they're just an added design element, which is just another cool thing about these lights. Construction is pretty much the standard of the industry. You've got ABS plastic for your outer housings with polycarbonate lenses over top. Everything here is weather sealed, and there are integrated adjusters right here on the back, which means you can adjust them so they are DOT and SAE approved, making them fully street legal. Those main and high beams again are going to utilize standard halogen bulbs, and they actually come with bulbs already included too, making it just that much easier for you. So since these are standard halogen bulbs, that means replacements are easy to get and affordable, and you can always upgrade them if you'd like. Pricing comes in at about $300 for the set, making these an affordable option within the segment. These are actually some of the most affordable options out there on the market when it comes to these trucks. So if you like the style and you want to update your truck for comparatively little money, these are going to be a great choice for you. Installation is going to get a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you about 1 hour to complete. Now these are going to actually be pretty much plug and play. You've got two connectors back here that are going to plug in, and then these are just going to pop right in place of your stock headlights, making this a job that you can definitely tackle at home. We're going to walk you through the install process step by step right now, so for that, let's head on out to the shop.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. What's up guys? Today we're installing a set of headlights on our F-150. First we're going to watch a quick uninstall video showing you how to remove your factory headlights, and I'll meet you right back here for the install.
Guys, first step of the uninstall to get our factory headlight off is of course pop your hood. Then you're going to take a 10mm socket. I like to use an extension just to flip this guy over. There's one bolt here, one bolt up top, and then one tucked into this corner. So grab your 10mm and get all three of them off. All right, from here we can just pull straight back on our headlight. We've got it loose already. Pull and disconnect. Now what you want to do is flip her over, and we're going to pinch and disconnect the harnesses from the bulb sockets. So here, just pinch and disconnect. Same here. Pinch and disconnect. All right, now we can set this guy aside.
So now with our factory headlights removed, we need to transfer over our side marker bulb from our stock to our new headlight. So just twist the bulb socket to the left, drop it into the new one, and twist it to the right to lock it in. And then do the same thing for your other headlight. So now plug in your 3 connectors and slide this into place. Now we can thread in those 3 bolts and tighten them down with the 10mm socket. And then do the same thing on the other side.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install the Raxiom Axial Series Halo headlights with LED bars, black housings, and clear lenses, fitting 2004 to 2008 F-150s. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, for all things F-150, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.